Hello mga kabisdak! Checking my OOTD. Pangit. We're going to grocery, buying some errands for New Year. I'm with my papa, my mama, and yep, I'm not driving today. Gusto ko kayong isama para naman alam nyo kung ano yung bibili natin for New Year. Though, konti na lang to kasi nakabili na kami last 2 weeks. So, let's go!
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind.
Ayan, so pagdating pala namin dun sa Danau City, pumunta kami sa U-Beast at pumili kami ng speaker since matagal-tagal na din wala kaming speaker na malaki. Baka naman mas masaya yung New Year natin.
Deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Can't you feel this is real, you and me, nothing in our way. Baby, we were born to run. Take the back road, let's make a great escape. Cause this life moves fast, and we can't stop time. So put your hand in mine. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past, deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Don't matter where we're going, don't matter what we do, long as we got each other, just me and you. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is
So yun mga kabisdak, tapos na kaming mag-grocery. Unti lang naman siya, hindi naman siya ganun kadami. And proceed na tayo dun sa, syempre, mga prutas. Okay.
Ay, oo. Okay, magkanaman din sa ulo. Di ba nalilin?
Pagpalit, tagbuongon ma, kani. Tinaguro.
Oh, mahaya lang.
Oo.
Dili. At buhok na.
Oo, buok siya.
Atit siya buhok.
Ha? Ilawom lang?
Matali ba?
Kani? Ah.
I've been
Okay na.
away from one. No one can change time.
Nakakana na naka-on.
I gotta go where you at. Mirrors don't talk back. Leave it blank.
Kabuti mo?
Caught on each side. Only reflections apart. And never more. I've been away for a while.
Pila na nga
Only
Pila
way
ni
I'm
ma'am?
getting by
Tagpila ni.
was at the time. Why I got my things on shelf, like the trophies I can carry with me through the years. Yeah, I'm too sick of myself. I'm too sick of myself. Someone I don't really want to spend.
Dili ni Mara.
Makes sense for someone that needs help.
Okay ra na gani lang ko ato isunod mo.
Asking for a friend. Asking for a friend who has gone off the deep end. I know it's late, but we said we would meet here. Why don't you come down? One little sip of air will do you good, and you better believe it. You've been shut indoors for no reason. I could use a friend right now. Can we be friends for now? Heart on each side, only reflections apart, but never more.
Hello! This is me, your Engineerang Bisdak. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell button for more videos. Bye!